Hey y'all, it's your man Derell with my first tutorial of my dance beat routine, and today we are going to do level up. So I'm going to break down the material. I'm not going to do too long, but I'm going to break it down so you can follow along, and then you got to go watch the video of the choreography so you can do it at home. Let's get started. So you're going to start off with the right foot and your right hand. Single for 4 counts, and then double hand for the next 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we go. The next part, you have oh, this part is so yummy, yes? So for my version, you're gonna go up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. You got a little giddy thing going on with your feet. So you wanna go up, ha, 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 up, ha, ha, and then we roll and rotate all the way up. Very good. All right, so let's see that part together. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha, da, 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 ha, da, da, da. Roll it all the way up. Very good. Next part, you're gonna do a pump. Up, down, roll it up. Up, down, roll it up. Open, 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 roll it all the way up. Yes. So let's see that part together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 and 6, 7, 8. Woo! Very good. Level up. Get your heart rate up, okay? All right. So let's get these last 2 sections down. So you're gonna do some stepping, y'all. Get ready. So you have step, clap, clap. Step, clap, clap. You're going step over, under, step over, under, pump, 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 pump. We're gonna do that 4 times. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and number 3. Good. Then you have, good. So then we're gonna cut to the left and cut to the right, cut to the left and cut in all night. Cut to the left and cut up to the right, cut up to the left, cut up to the right. Very good. This is what you call a mini train. So it's like dun 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 dun. Yes, so that's all you're doing is 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And your last bit, you have, and I'm gonna put all this together. You're gonna step back with your left foot, 3 taps, and your arms are gonna go like a sunset, back, front, back. You have 1, 2, 3, back, front, back. 1, 2, 3, back, front, back. 1, 2, 3, back, front, back. 1, 2, 3, back, front, and back. And then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to the top. Yes, and that's everything. So let's see it one time. Here we go.
3, 2,